Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with Andy Macintosh. Andy is running for Deputy Mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today, Andy.
Thanks, Bradley. It's a pleasure.
So today I want to talk to you about taxes. It's an ongoing issue. It's very prevalent in our community. Do you think taxes are too high? And if so, how are we going to reduce them, or at least cap them? For instance, if you're thinking about increasing revenue, where are you going to find it? If you're thinking about reducing costs, what are you going to cut?
Well, I'll tell you, Bradley, taxes obviously are the number one issue in this town. I've been doing some door-to-door, and the number one complaint is taxes. And it's now coming out that we are one of the highest tax places in Southern Ontario. It's unacceptable. We've got to do something. Last year's tax increase was 4.5. Just over the roof. It was terrible. We need to get control of the taxes. I don't believe taxes should go up much past the cost of living. Obviously, they've got to go up. You can't run a business, a city, unless you're going to cut things. I know some areas that we can get into to help. There's little things like there was a recreation study done a number of years ago with this council. It cost, I believe, around $70,000. And there were some recommendations put forth to council in this report telling them how to save money in the recreation department. That report was put away, never to be seen again. I'd like to bring that back out, have a look at it, and see if we can do some of those recommendations. That will bring a little bit of tax down. We have a railway in town. We're paying tax on that railway all the way to Streetsville. And it's costing us, I've heard figures from $700,000 to $900,000 a year that we're paying in taxes. And that's unacceptable. That needs to be looked at. I know we're helping businesses, but maybe there's a way we can still help the business and not pay that kind of yearly tax. And this is every year we're paying this. This isn't just a one-time thing, it's every year. So there's things like that. We have to remember we work for the taxpayer. And I think this council, some members, have gotten a bit lost in the last 4 years. And they're not remembering, we are working for the taxpayer.
It's important, and I really do appreciate you coming in and telling us where you stand on this issue. And if you'd like to see more of what Andy has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and thanks for watching.